Retirement may seem like a distant dream, but it's important to start planning for it early. In this video, we will be discussing the steps you can take to ensure that you have the resources you need to maintain your current lifestyle and enjoy your golden years. So, grab a notebook and a pen and let's get started. How to save for retirement and plan for your financial future. 1. Start early. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. By starting early, you will have a longer period of time for your money to grow and compound, resulting in a larger nest egg for retirement. Additionally, starting early allows you to take advantage of the power of compounding and invest smaller amounts over a longer period of time. This means that even small contributions can grow into a significant sum over time. It's never too early to start thinking about retirement planning, and the earlier you begin, the more time you have to reach your goals. 2. Determine your retirement savings goals. Consider how much money you will need to maintain your current lifestyle in retirement and factor in any additional expenses, such as healthcare costs. This will give you an idea of how much you need to save in order to live comfortably in retirement. There are a few ways to estimate how much you need to save for retirement. The 80% rule suggests that you will need 80% of your pre-retirement income to maintain your current lifestyle. Another popular method is the 4% rule, which suggests that you can safely withdraw 4% of your savings each year in retirement. You can also use retirement calculators available online to give you a more accurate estimate of your retirement needs. Keep in mind that these are just estimates, and your actual retirement needs may be different depending on your lifestyle, location, and other factors. It's also important to factor in any additional expenses you may have in retirement, such as healthcare costs, long-term care, or travel. These costs can add up quickly, and it's important to be prepared for them. 3. Contribute to your employer-sponsored retirement plan. Contribute to your employer-sponsored retirement plan. If your employer offers a 401k or other retirement plan, make sure to contribute enough to take full advantage of any employer matching contributions. A 401k plan is a retirement savings plan offered by many employers. It allows employees to save for retirement on a tax-deferred basis, and some employers will match a percentage of the employee's contribution. This is essentially free money, and it's important to take advantage of it. Find out how much your employer will match and try to contribute at least that much. If you can't afford to contribute the maximum amount, start by contributing a smaller amount and increase it as your budget allows. If your employer doesn't offer a 401k plan or matching contributions, consider contributing to an IRA instead. It's also important to check the investment options available in the 401k plan and make sure they align with your goals and risk tolerance. If you are not sure, you can seek advice from a financial advisor. 4. Open an individual retirement account, IRA. IRAs offer tax advantages and are another way to save for retirement. An IRA is a type of investment account that allows individuals to save for retirement on a tax-advantaged basis. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. Traditional IRA contributions may be tax-deductible, and the investment gains grow tax-deferred until withdrawal. Roth IRA contributions are made with after-tax dollars, and the investment gains grow tax-free. Both types of IRAs have contribution limits, which are subject to change each year. It's important to check the limits for the current year before making contributions. When opening an IRA, it's important to consider the investment options available and choose those that align with your goals and risk tolerance. You can also seek advice from a financial advisor to help you determine which type of IRA is best for you. 5. Make catch-up contributions. If you are over 50, you can make catch-up contributions to your 401k or IRA. Catch-up contributions are additional contributions that individuals over the age of 50 can make to their 401k or IRA. The contribution limits for 401k plans and IRAs are subject to change each year, so make sure to check the limits for the current year. For 401k plans, the catch-up contribution limit for 2021 is $6,500, and for IRAs, the catch-up contribution limit for 2021 is $1,000. Making catch-up contributions can help individuals over 50 make up for lost time and save more for retirement. It's also a great way to boost your savings and ensure that you have enough to maintain your lifestyle in retirement. It's important to note that catch-up contributions only apply to certain types of retirement accounts, and not all plans allow them. So make sure to check with your plan administrator or financial advisor to see if catch-up contributions are an option for you. 6. Consider other investment options. In addition to traditional retirement accounts, you may also want to consider investing in real estate, stocks, or other investment vehicles to diversify your portfolio. Diversification of your investment portfolio is important as it helps spread the risk and reduces the impact of market fluctuations on your overall portfolio. This can help you achieve your retirement savings goals and mitigate potential losses. Here are a few examples of other investment options you may want to consider. Real estate. Investing in rental properties or REITs, real estate investment trusts, can provide a steady stream of passive income and potential appreciation in value. Stocks. Investing in stocks can provide the potential for higher returns, but also comes with higher risk. Bonds. Bonds are a form of debt securities and can provide a steady stream of income, but generally have lower returns than stocks. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are investment vehicles that allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities. It's important to research and understand the investment options available and to select those that align with your goals and risk tolerance. 7. Create a financial plan. Develop a plan that includes not only saving for retirement but also paying off debt, building an emergency fund, and saving for other financial goals. Creating a comprehensive financial plan that takes into account all of your financial goals is important for achieving long-term financial success. Here are a few steps you can take to create a plan. Assess your current financial situation. Gather all of your financial information, including income, expenses, and debts, to get a clear picture of where you stand. Set specific, measurable, and achievable goals. Identify what you want to achieve financially, such as saving for retirement, paying off debt, or buying a house. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and achievable. Develop a strategy. Determine the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. This might include increasing your income, reducing expenses, or investing in specific assets. Create a budget. Use the information you have gathered to create a budget that will help you achieve your goals. Make sure to include savings for retirement, emergency fund, and other financial goals. 8. Review and adjust your plan regularly. As you near retirement, you may need to adjust your plan to reflect changes in your income, expenses, and investment performance. As your circumstances change over time, your financial plan should be reviewed and updated regularly. Here are a few things to consider when reviewing your plan. Review your income and expenses. Make sure your budget is still accurate and make adjustments as needed. Check your investment performance. Review the performance of your investments and make adjustments as needed. Make sure your portfolio is still aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Reevaluate your retirement savings goals. As you get closer to retirement, you may need to adjust your savings goals to reflect changes in your lifestyle, expenses, or investment performance. Update your estate plan. Make sure your will, power of attorney, and any other estate planning documents are up to date and reflect your current wishes. Review your insurance coverage. Make sure your insurance coverage is still adequate and that your policies are still in line with your needs. 9. Seek professional advice. Seeking professional advice can help you make informed decisions about your retirement savings and investments. A financial advisor can help you understand your current financial situation. A financial advisor can help you gather all of your financial information and create a clear picture of where you stand. Set specific, measurable, and achievable goals. A financial advisor can help you identify your retirement goals and develop a plan to achieve them. Develop a strategy. A financial advisor can help you determine the steps you need to take to achieve your goals, such as increasing your income, reducing expenses, or investing in specific assets. Create a diversified investment portfolio. A financial advisor can help you understand the different types of investments and create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Stay informed of changing laws and regulations. A financial advisor can keep you informed of any changes in laws and regulations that may affect your retirement savings and investments. So, saving for retirement and planning for your financial future is essential to ensure that you have the resources you need to maintain your current lifestyle and enjoy your golden years. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on personal finance, investing, and retirement planning. And make sure to take action today and start planning for your financial future.